in today's video, i-reveal ko po kung ano yung product na ginamit ko para maging ganito katingkad yung buhok ko and kung saan ko siya nabibili and kung paano po siya gagamitin. So, eto na nga guys, ang ginagamit ko po is etong Arctic Fox. Yan. So, yung ginagamit ko ngayon is eto, which is yung Aquamarine. And then, minimix ko etong Arctic Fox na Poseidon. So, this one will cost you 600 pesos. Yung ganito kalaki, which is 4 ounce. And then, this one naman is 8 ounce for 900 pesos. Okay? But then, eto, sobrang tagal nyo na siyang gagamitin. I mean, ilang gamitan nyo talaga, like, mga, depende kung ilang buwan or kung ilang beses kayo nagkukulay sa isang buwan. Pero sa akin, tumatagal to ng mga 6 months, yung ganito kalaki. Depende din kasi kung mabilis mag-fade yung buhok ko and kung gusto ko siya na darker yung kulay. So, the good thing about this product is that vegan-free siya and cruelty-free, which means hindi siya masyadong harmful sa buhok natin, unlike yung mga permanent colors. So, this one is semi-permanent, guys. That's the reason why ang minimix lang sa kanya is conditioner, any white conditioner. Unlike yung mga permanent hair colors, ang ginagamit natin doon is oxidizer. So, yung oxidizing lotion, guys, nakakasira yun ng buhok, nakaka-dry siya. Unlike eto, kapag ginamit nyo sa buhok nyo, pagkabanlaw nyo, malambot na siya kasi conditioner yung ginamit natin. And, ang maganda din sa kanya, guys, no peroxide, no ammonia, no ethyl alcohol, and no PPD. So, matagal na itong ginagamit, like sa ibang bansa, ito yung isa sa mga sikat na products nila, kasi nga maganda si Arctic Fox. And then, ang ginamit ko ngayon sa buhok ko, ang ginawa ko sa buhok ko ngayon is, eto, mas madami yung mixture nitong Aquamarine, which I will show you sa video later. And then, nagpatak lang ako ng Poseidon ng mga 3 drops para lang yung parang may shade lang siya ng blue, na dark blue. Pag tinignan niyo yung loob nito, blue din naman siya, pero kasi kapag hinaluan niyo na to ng conditioner, nag-iiba yung kulay niya. So, it will depend. And then, eto, medyo mas lighter siya. Akala niyo lang, mukha lang siyang halos same color, pero pag tinignan niyo siya, guys, ayan diba? Mas darker si Aquamarine kaysa sa kanya. And then, pag minix niyo na siya sa conditioner, diba si permanent hair colors, pag minimix niyo sa oxidizer, maghihintay pa kayo. Tapos, kung ano yung lalabas na kulay doon, yun yung lalabas na kulay, which is antagal. It will take a few minutes, diba? Para antayin yun. Unlike ito, na kapag minix nyo na siya sa conditioner, kung ano yung lalabas na kulay doon is automatic, yun yung lalabas sa buhok nyo. But then, guys, it will still depend sa level po ng pagka-blonde ng buhok nyo. So, for example, ang level ng pagka-blonde ng hair nyo is around 8 to 10, then definitely ganito yung kalalabasan niya. But, kapag ka 6 below, hindi siya ganito katingkad, okay? Lalo na kung kung i-apply nyo siya sa dark or black hair, definitely hindi ganito katingkad. Magmumukha lang siyang, pag nasinagan kayo ng araw, dun lang mag-reflect yung kulay. So, you have to take the risk if you want to bleach your hair then. But, no need to worry guys, kasi meron akong previous video na makakatulong sa inyo kung paano nyo mamimaintain yung ganda ng buhok nyo or nabuhay yung buhok nyo even after nakailang bleach na kayo. So, you can watch that video na pinost ko before. Makikita nyo doon yung mga products na ginagamit ko para ma-maintain ko na malambot pa din yung buhok. So, eto guys, nabibili siya sa Shopee. Meron din siya sa Facebook. Pero eto, binili ko siya ngayon sa may rainbow head. Meron silang Facebook page, wala silang Shopee eh. So, eto, mabibili niya din siya sa Shopee, pero ibang like store sa Gwyshop. So, later, after the video, I will post yung link kung saan nyo siya pwedeng bilhin and kung magkano, kasi ma-check naman doon yung price nila. So, sa video guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga ginagamit ko, kung paano ko ina-apply yung color, paano yung mixture, okay? And then, yung details kung paano ko talaga siya ina-apply. So, if you want to know yung details kung paano ko siya ina-apply guys, please continue watching, okay? Before you apply the product, make sure that your hair is dry. And color works the best when the hair is not washed and dry. So after that, start off by sectioning your hair out from ear to ear and down to the center. Also, if you wish to keep your clothes clean, you better use a cape. So you can purchase it from any beauty hair products or from Shopee or Lazada. Next thing is get a mixing bowl and mix up all the colors and conditioner. I used 2 ounces of the white conditioner, 4 drops of Aquamarine, and 3 drops of Poseidon. Mix it up until you don't see any white conditioner, and whatever color shows, that will be the same color that will show on your hair. So now it is time to start applying color to the hair. Others will usually start from the top, but I actually prefer to start from the bottom, since it's not like the permanent colors that you will have a different shade if you start from the bottom first. And please note that I'm not an expert, and this is how I color, and this is how I'm comfortable in coloring my hair. So once you section the hair, you have to make sure that the color will sink in. So usually I have to put it or apply it using a brush, but I will still like run through the color using my fingers and make sure that it will sink on the entire layer of the hair. And then once you're done applying the color, you have to let it sit or let it process for about 30 to 1 hour. It will depend on how dark you want the color to show on your hair. So if you want like a light color, then you have to rinse it off before 30 minutes. But if you want the darkest color, you have to let it process for about an hour or 2 hours. But usually I let it sit for about an hour to an hour and a half because I want it to be so dark. After coloring your hair, you just have to rinse it. But I'm no longer using any shampoo. I'm just rinsing it off since I mixed it with a conditioner instead of a peroxide and then let it dry. So after we blow dry our hair, we can now start styling it to whatever we want. And if ever we want to reapply another hair color, it's just gonna be the same process. So this is the end of the video, and if you like and if may natutunan po kayo, please do not forget to click on the like button down below. And if hindi pa po kayo nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na mag-upload po ako ng bagong video. And thank you so much guys for watching. Bye!